we are going to use a Cisco Packet Tracer software to do the practicals of computer networks. And this is the Cisco Packet Tracer software. Now you can see here, this is your workspace where we will build our network. You can see at the downside, there are some network devices are given. So when I'm going to click on the network devices, you can see the first one, second, all these are there, network devices. Okay. Then comes AND devices, there are the PC, laptop, server, and so on. Components are there, MCU board, SP board, connecting wires. These are the miscellaneous things. Multi-user, right? So our first practical in Cisco Packet Tracer is to create a network with five computers in Packet Tracer and one hub. So to take out that network devices, we'll go on the network devices, and from this network devices you can see here routers is given, then switches દેખાય છે ને અહીંયા last માં. Are you able to see? Routers,
Yes, ma'am.
switches, hubs, wireless devices, security, and WAN. We are going to use hub right now. So I will click on the hub. Three types of hubs are given. We will use the PT hub, which is your point hub, and put it over here. Then we will use the AND devices because we want to connect five computers to one hub. So we will go for the AND devices. In AND devices, we will take the computer, which is PC. So take out one PC. Because we are going to connect five PC, I will take five computers from here. Then you will have to use the connecting wire. So this first one is the automatic connector, right? So whatever the type of connection we want to use, we'll use the automatic connecting wire, right? Just click on the hub and click on the computer. You can also do the reverse thing. You can click on the computer, then click on the hub. There is nothing a difference. Okay. Then the second thing, you will have to give a name to all the computers. You will have to give the static address to all the computers, because this is the only server which gives the addresses to the AND devices. But when we have not connected a server, you will have to provide your own address. You will have to define your own address. So to do that, just right click or double click on the computer, go on the config. In config, I'm going to just change the name of the computer as 2.1 interface in fast ethernet 0. Now we'll go on the fast ethernet 0, right? Turn on all the things, port status, bandwidth, and duplex. In IP configuration, go in the static and give the address of the computer as like 192.168.2.1. So this is the method to write the IP address. In most of the cases, our IP address will start with the 192.168 in our college, right? And you will study this in detail when we are going to study the transport layer. That how to give the network address and what does this 192 indicate, what does this 168 indicate. You will all this study in the network layer. Clicking on the subnet mask, it will appear same as, and you will have to keep it same one. We are not going to give the IPv6 configuration, only we are using the IP configuration. As you see here, I have kept the IP address as 2.1, and this was the reason that I have kept the display name as 2.1 to just remember that okay, this PC is given the address of 192.168.2.1. Okay, close. Again go on the second computer in config. Now I will use the name as 2.2. You can also start with 1.1, 1.2, but my practice is that in most of the cases routers are provided with the 1.0, right? So the network devices should be given the addresses of 1.0, 1.1, 1.2 and so on, and for that reason and devices I will start with the 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and so on. So display name is 2.2. In interface, go for the fast Ethernet. In static, use 192.168.2.2. Just click on subnet mask and close. Right. So this is how we are going to give the addresses to all the computers. From where you can get the idea that where the data is to be transferred. Go in the fast Ethernet 0, 192.168.2.3. Okay. Go in the config. PC name is 2.4 and give the name 192.168.2.4. Go in config. The name is 2.5. Fast Ethernet 0, 192.168.2.5. Right. So fast Ethernet 0 is actually your the type of connection. And close. Now see, all the computers are given with the names as like their IP addresses. So when I'm just putting the cursor on one computer, you can see it gives me all the details about my computer. Okay. The MAC address is medium access control layer address, and MAC address is specific for each and every computer or each and every end devices. You are not supposed to change it. You cannot change it. Is it okay till now? How to design a network?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's check out whether the connectivity is proper or not by sending some data from one computer to another computer. Now there is two types of things by which you can check out the first is just click on one computer, go in the desktop and command prompt. Right now see, I have clicked on 2.1 address PC. Right. So now from this 2.1 PC, I want to check whether it is connected to 2.2 or not. To check this out, I'm going to use a command ping. So ping space 192.168.2.2. If it is connected, then it will give me the results something like this. That okay, your data is being transferred. Right. So 4 packets are sent, 4 packets are received, and there is no loss. To check out whether 2.1 is connected with 2.3, again use the same command ping space 192.168.2.3. It is also connected with the network. Similarly, you can check for another also .4 and ping space 192.168.2.5. So this is the basic thing આટલી વસ્તુ આવડવી જ જોઈએ. You must know all these things. These are the basic things. Okay. Now how to check the connectivity. The another way by which you can send the data is by using the simulation. So when I'm just clicking on the simulation, right, add a simple PDU, packet data unit, right, and add complex PDU. I'm just using a simple PDU. So I will just click on the simple PDU and I will put it on first computer. and I want to send this data to, let's say, second computer, and we will go for the simulation option. Now see what will happen. Your packet is transferred to the hub, and hub is not changing, as hub is not seeing all the addresses, right? Hub is not seeing the addresses. It will send all it will send the packets to all the computers, but only a computer which is destined for this address will take this, right? As this packet was destined only for 2.2, only this computer has accepted, right? You can see here I am just doing the same thing one more time. So again I am just simulating it. What is happening? See, these three are showing cross. What does it mean? Right? It says that they are not supposed to be reached at them. હવે અહીંયાથી શું થયું? That this computer has sent the data to the hub acknowledgement. It has given the acknowledgement to the hub that okay, I have received the data correctly, right? And hub has again sent all the data to all other lines, right? But the source address was only 2.1, and this is the reason only 2.1 will receive the data and all other will just discard this data. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.